Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tony's Top Tech videos. I'm Tony, and today we have a fun and stimulating challenge for you. Before we dive into the world of memory apps, I want you to remember this word: serendipity. Got it? Great! Stick with us till the end to find out why this word is important. Let's get started on our journey to sharpen our minds with the top memory apps for 2024. We've scoured the app stores and tested numerous memory apps to bring you the ultimate ranking. Whether you're looking to sharpen your memory, improve cognitive skills, or just have some fun, we've got you covered. From brain training games to cognitive challenges, these apps are designed to keep your mind sharp and engaged. So let's count down from 1 to 10 and share some brain-boosting facts and tips along the way. Starting off at number 1, we have Lumosity, brain training and mind games. Lumosity is a leader in brain training, offering a vast collection of games designed by neuroscientists. This app is perfect for all ages and provides comprehensive training for your brain. Lumosity's games focus on different cognitive skills, such as memory, attention, problem-solving, and language. One of the standout features is its personalized training programs, which adapt to your performance and help you progress over time. Brain fact: did you know that regular mental stimulation can help prevent cognitive decline? Engaging in activities that challenge your brain keeps it sharp and healthy. So incorporating apps like Lumosity into your daily routine can be a great way to keep your mind active and engaged. Coming in at number 2 is Peak, brain training, personalized games. This app offers a variety of brain games designed to challenge your cognitive abilities in a fun and engaging way. Peak features over 40 games that target different areas of cognitive function, including memory, problem-solving, and language skills. The app also provides detailed performance tracking and personalized training recommendations based on your progress. Memory tip: physical exercise can boost memory and cognitive function. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, helping to improve memory and overall brain health. So don't forget to balance mental exercises with physical workouts. Number 3 goes to Elevate, brain training, personalized brain games. Known for its clean interface and daily challenges, Elevate helps you improve focus, processing speed, and memory. Elevate offers over 40 games that focus on skills such as reading comprehension, writing, and math. The app's personalized approach ensures that the challenges you face are tailored to your strengths and weaknesses, allowing for more effective training. Brain fact: learning a new language or musical instrument can enhance memory and cognitive abilities. These activities engage different parts of the brain and improve neural connections. So if you're looking to boost your brain power even further, consider picking up a new skill or hobby. At number 4, we have CogniFit Brain Fitness, brain games and cognitive training. With a wide range of games, CogniFit helps you track and improve your cognitive skills effectively. CogniFit offers a diverse array of brain games designed to enhance cognitive functions, such as memory, attention, and problem-solving. The app also provides detailed reports on your cognitive performance and progress over time. Memory tip: stay socially active. Social interactions can boost brain health and improve memory. Engaging with others keeps your brain stimulated and can reduce the risk of memory decline. Make time for social activities and connections to keep your mind sharp. Number 5 is BrainHQ, brain training exercises. This app offers scientifically backed exercises to enhance memory and cognitive performance. BrainHQ features exercises that have been developed by neuroscientists and researchers. The app focuses on training key cognitive functions, including memory, attention, and processing speed. It also offers personalized training plans based on your performance. Brain fact: a healthy diet is crucial for brain health. Foods rich in antioxidants, good fats, vitamins, and minerals provide energy and aid in protecting against brain diseases. Incorporate foods like berries, nuts, fish, and leafy greens into your diet to support optimal brain function. Coming in strong at number 6 is Memorado, brain games, memory and brain training. Known for its engaging and adaptive exercises, Memorado helps you improve across various cognitive domains. Memorado offers a variety of brain games that adapt to your skill level and provide challenges tailored to your abilities. The app's focus on diverse cognitive areas ensures that you get a well-rounded mental workout. Memory tip: Practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices can improve focus, memory, and emotional regulation by reducing stress and enhancing brain function. Consider incorporating mindfulness techniques into your daily routine for added cognitive benefits. Number 7 is Mind Games, brain training games. This app offers a variety of games aimed at improving different cognitive functions, including memory. Mind Games provides a wide selection of brain training games that focus on areas such as memory, attention, and problem solving. The app also offers detailed performance tracking and progress reports to help you monitor your improvement. Brain Fact: adequate sleep is essential for cognitive function and memory consolidation. During sleep, the brain processes and stores information, which is crucial for learning and memory. Ensure you're getting enough quality sleep each night to support your cognitive health. At number 8, we have NeuroNation, brain training and brain games. This app focuses on personalized brain training programs designed to enhance cognitive abilities and memory. NeuroNation offers a range of brain games and exercises that are tailored to your individual needs and goals. The app's personalized approach helps you target specific areas of cognitive function, ensuring effective training. Memory tip: engage in regular mental challenges to keep your brain active. Solving puzzles, playing strategy games, and learning new skills are all great ways to stimulate your brain and improve memory. Number 9 is Brainwell, brain training games. This app features a variety of games designed to boost cognitive functions and memory. Brainwell offers a range of games that focus on memory, attention, and reasoning skills. The app also provides regular performance assessments to help you track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Brain Fact: engaging in creative activities, such as drawing, painting, or playing a musical instrument can enhance cognitive function and memory. Creative pursuits stimulate the brain and foster neural growth. Last but not least, at number 10, we have Brain Training, cognitive exercises. This app provides a variety of exercises designed to improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Brain Training offers a comprehensive set of exercises aimed at enhancing cognitive abilities. The app's exercises are designed to challenge your brain and help you build mental agility and memory. Memory tip: stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for maintaining cognitive function and overall brain health. Dehydration can affect concentration and memory, so make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 memory apps for 2024 that will help you keep your brain sharp and your memory in top form. These apps offer a range of features and exercises designed to enhance cognitive function. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for amazing videos like this. See you with the next one.